Hello all, and welcome back to All Things Airy On. In the garden, I'll be in my office. Okay, today I'm making peppermint oil. I did these butterfly twists a few days ago, and my scalp is on fire, like itching so bad I want to take them down. So I'm in the garden getting ready to get some fresh peppermint, and we're making peppermint oil today. Okay, and I am taking all this beautiful peppermint, y'all. It is growing out of control. Enough to make enough oil to share with folks and maybe make some Christmas gifts. So it's kind of taking a lot off, guys. This is one of the warmest days here so far, so time to come and cut this stuff back anyway. So here's our peppermint oil. Let's go. I am going to pick the peppermint leaves off and put them in my smasher thingy, whatever you call it. And once I get them all in there, I'll mash them down to help release the oil from the leaves. So just picking. Okay, got the peppermint leaves all picked in there, and I am just gonna mash them down, move them around, just like I said, just to activate the oil in them. Okay, smells pretty minty in here. Now I'm gonna take them over to the stove and cook them in some grapeseed oil. Okay, we got the oil cooking, and I'm just gonna cook this on low for about 2 hours. Oop, wrong lid. And come back to it. My preferred oil or carrier oil is the grapeseed oil from Aldi, but you can use whatever you like. I just find this to be lighter and scentless, so this is what I'm using. So yes, we are cooking the peppermint leaves on low for 2 hours. Okay. This is what it looks like now that it's all cooked down. And I'm just pouring the oil off of it into my Pyrex glass so that I can pour it over into my tinted glass bottle. Okay. So that's it, guys. We got some peppermint oil for my itchy scalp. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Keep my channel going. Let me know what you want me to post next. But this is our peppermint oil for braids, or whatever you want to use it for. But this is for my itchy braids. Until next time, bye for now.